Hello, I am Samuel. And today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Foliprime before you actually buy this product. I also have some very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Foliprime is: be careful with the website you will buy the product because Foliprime is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll tell you what Foliprime is and if it actually works. What is exactly Foliprime? Foliprime is an all-natural and safe-to-use hair regrowth serum that won't cause you any side effects. This serum is unlike any other dangerous pills, unconventional medications, or oil. This product delivers you the promised results within days of showing you the simple way to maintain your hair health and scalp. The added ingredients in this formula are purely sourced from nature's extract, which won't cause you any side effects. Mark Peterson, the founder of this product, passionate about plants and their extracts and supporting your good health naturally, Foliprime is the best way that supports the health of your hair. This hair care serum acts as a powerful oil that helps the health of your hair and scalp in a wholly new and revolutionary way. Foliprime is highly effective and 100% natural, and it doesn't include any dangerous stimulants or toxins. So yes, you can trust this product Foliprime. Even, there are many people having great results with Foliprime and you can have results too. How well does Foliprime works for you? Foliprime effectively targets the root cause of hair loss with the essential vitamins and minerals. This product works on regrowing hair and strengthening your scalp and follicles within just a matter of days. The ingredients added to this formula are pure and will not cause any side effects. Foliprime is an entirely natural formula like a super cocktail for hair production that makes you feel good, with the appearance of your skin significantly better. Foliprime is a wholly natural and safe supplement that helps to regrow a head full of hair. This product shows you a simple way to maintain the health of your hair and scalp. This powerful oil supports the health of your hair and scalp in a wholly unique and revolutionary way possible. Foliprime works effectively for anyone at any age, wherein helps in the regrowth of hair by protecting your scalp, skin, nails, and overall health within days. This supplement fulfills your dreams of getting your natural hair back. Foliprime prevents hair loss and stimulates regeneration in appropriate doses that give visible results for people of all ages and conditions. This product shows that hair loss and baldness have nothing to do with your age, genes, or lifestyle. Foliprime includes the different ingredients that will have the ultimate potential to reduce hair-related problems. This product uses the most potent blend of natural ingredients that helps in supporting healthy hair. It boosts hair's natural growth due to the unique combination of the highest quality ingredients. Foliprime includes lemon peel, castor oil, niacin. Check the official website for more ingredients, I left here in the description of this video. What's the best way to use Foliprime? If you are an adult facing hair loss and are looking for a natural and pocket-friendly solution for this problem, you can choose Foliprime. Foliprime can be consumed irrespective of gender. At the same time, 1 to 2 sprays of the topical solution should be massaged into the scalp every day. If you have a pre-existing medical condition, consult a doctor before consuming health supplements. In case you're allergic to any of the ingredients. If that's the case with you, you must talk to a doctor. To get the best results, it is suggested to continue the usage of Foliprime for 3 to 6 months. It will repair the damage, curb the root cause, and revitalize your hair growth through your hair rejuvenation function. It has 0 side effects, and it is non-additive. If you are pregnant, nursing, or diagnosed with a medical condition, consult a doctor first before using the supplement to avoid side effects in the body. Do not take the product if you are allergic to any listed ingredients. Foliprime benefits. Foliprime offers you all-encompassing advantages and benefits as follows. Foliprime is an all-natural and safe-to-take supplement. This supplement delivers you promising results within days. The added ingredients are purely sourced from nature's extract. It works for anyone at any age without any side effects. Foliprime works effectively by targeting the root cause of hair loss. This supplement delivers the promising results within days. Check the official website for more benefits, I left here in the description of this video. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video, the official website of Foliprime with guarantee for you access. I hope I helped you with that information. God be with you.